What's up, y'all? It's Everything Track. Now I'm back with another video. This isn't a running video, and I feel like I'm doing too many of these videos that don't have anything to do with track. But like I said before, I am thinking about changing my name anyways to Everything Track and Rap, or Everything Track and More, because I don't want to just do track videos, especially with track season being over with. Like right now, you know, the vlogs are cool, but right now I just want to go over some stuff that I'm buying for my game shelf and my game room and for my camera, and I've been doing that just to keep the channel active. But anyways, right here what we have, and I felt like I want to do something over this because this is a cool piece right here. So right here I have a Legos, yes, you heard me right, a Legos Scout Trooper Star Wars helmet, and I got this from Target, and I got it for $40, right? But when I went there today, they rang me up for $45, right? And it's originally like $49, but for them they had 45, so I had to show them on their website it's 40. So it wasn't up to date on their website today, but that's fine. And by the way, Target does price match with any authorized reseller, but on Target.com it was $40, and that's the reason I got it now instead of Black Friday, because first of all, this is the only one they had left. Second of all, I really don't see them going any lower than $40 on these pieces right here, these helmets. And as you can see right here, we have it's the 18 plus editions, so they have all the helmets like Darth Vader helmet, the Dark Droid helmet, they have the Scout Trooper helmet, the helmet Anakin used, the pilot helmet. So again, this is a very nice helmet. This one has 471 pieces. It's model number 75305, and like I said before, I just wanted to go over this real quick. And since Black Friday is coming up, as of today, it's November 13th, and Black Friday is coming up, and this would definitely be something that you want to get your children. Or if you're a YouTuber and you have a game show, if you want a background, or just somebody who is a Star Wars fan in general, you can get this. Like I said, this is one of the versions for the adults, simply because of how many pieces there are. So on the side right here, you see it has the Star Wars helmet, the Scout Trooper helmet again. Just has its logo right there. And like I said, I've seen the video on this and it looks pretty cool. And what I'll do is, when I have the time, I'll definitely open the box, and I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you the finished product of the box. But right here is just a picture of the Scout Trooper back in the film. I believe this is Star Wars 6. This is the 6th movie. And this is just the measurements of the helmet, and it's 7 inches, so it's 7 inches in height. It doesn't say the length or the width, but 7 inches in height. Just another picture, and just some more. Just, I guess this is how you open it. So I guess you want to open this, how you do it. Pull this back, pull that back again. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. Again, I'm just showing you the box, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's finished as well. So I'm going to do it whenever I have time, and I'll get back with y'all on that. And this is just a side of it, and it's basically just showing the collection. It's just a collection, because there's like 7 of them, I believe. But I wanted this one. I think this is actually the cheapest one as well. So this is the cheapest one that you'll find. But this is actually one I wanted. So it was either this one or the Dark Trooper helmet, but I do like this one. And once I'm done opening it and finished with the product, I'm gonna show you what it looks like in person, and I'm gonna put it on my game shelf so that way y'all can see what it looks like on the game shelf as well. I believe I'm gonna either put it on the very top or somewhere on the bottom. I'm gonna have I'm not done with this game shelf, but as you can see, that's gonna be like Pokemon right there. I'm going to take those helmets on, put something else. I think I might do like anime action figures. I'm going to do my Funko Pops right there. So that's going to stay the same. And I don't know what I'm going to have right there yet. But I'm going to put the Star Wars stuff on the very top. So Star Wars is going to go on the very top. And that's going to change as well. That's going to be anime. And these two are going to be something. I'm not sure yet. So, and I'm going to buy another one game shelf put on the other side of my room as well. So I'll get back with y'all. And if you like the video so far, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, before I make this, so I want to do a disclaimer. For a lot of people that never had a Legos, obviously you had Legos when you was a kid, but it wasn't anything like this, right? It wasn't this type of Lego. I just want you all to know that they do have these bags numbered. right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you have the 5th bag. Now, I know nobody was really talking about this in their YouTube videos, but I'm gonna talk about it. These bags are individually numbered. They do give you a manual, and they tell you what it should look like. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 finishing product. And in here, they tell you which pieces to stack up. So they help you out here. So you're not just going in here blindly. Whenever you get these new Legos, these Legos that are like Pirates of the Caribbean logos and Indiana Jones logo, SpongeBob Legos or whatever, they do have manuals. So you're not just going in here blindly thinking like, how am I going to put this 1,000 piece set together? That's not how it works for majority ones. All right, so I was kind of thinking the same thing at first, but I read up on that. They do give you manuals. They do tell you which bags to do. It's their certain time. You use bags in numerical order, and then you work on each bag by itself, and then you put the pieces together once you're done. And they give you a manual, so you'll be fine. You'll be fine. All right, y'all, I'm back. So right now we have at least a little bit of it done, as you can tell. I'm on bag 3 now, and this is bag 1 and 2 put together. That's what it looks like. So just wanted to give y'all an update on that. Let's put that down. By the way, if you see little pieces left, you did not you didn't forget anything. I think they just leave little pieces because this is the second bag to do it at this point now. So I guess it's just in case purposes. Yeah. Like these are just extra little pieces and that's it. But on the bag 3 now. But I want you all to see the product of what it looks like right now, and that's what it's looking like. So let's go ahead and finish it up. All right, just a quick update. We do have part 3 done. So this was part 3 right here, and so we do have it on the stand. It's looking pretty good. Okay, hey y'all, I'm back. We are finally done. We have finally finished it. This is crazy. So this is the Scout Trooper helmet finally finished. It is beautiful. I want y'all to look at that. It took forever. It took a good couple hours. You know, I wasn't really focused too much on it. Went to the gym and stuff. But now that I'm done, you know, you can move this as well. So putting this right here, that looks good, guys. So it's gonna be the finished product, and like I said before, it was on sale for $41, $39. I can't remember. It was like $41, but I'm pretty sure it's off now. So I got it from Target. I'm pretty sure you can get it from other stores, retailers as well. But if you want to get it, I would get it, especially with Christmas coming up and Black Friday. This is a beautiful piece. And that's all I got for you. So if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think of the helmet yourself. And that's gonna be it for the video. All right, peace.